Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share 6 penny stocks with massive growth potential. The first stock on the list is Cinedigm. Cinedigm Corp. Engages in the marketing and distribution of movie, television, and other short-form content, managing a library of distribution rights. Cinedigm has gone through several periods of large fluctuations in the past few months. After moving down around 45% over the past 30 days, CIDM stock is now back on the up and up. One reason that CIDM stock has gone up recently has to do with NFTs. Even if you are not familiar with the cryptocurrency market, you have likely heard of non-fungible tokens. NFTs have entered the mainstream, with big media and even Saturday Night Live referencing the blockchain technology. At the end of March, when Cinedigm announced that it would be developing NFTs using its inventory of content, CIDM stock rose up accordingly. The company has not yet released detailed plans regarding its NFT, however, investors are excited about this long-term prospect. Recently, the company posted record subscription and ad-supported user growth numbers that helped to support its recent bullish gains. Cinedigm's total streaming viewers went up 208% year-over-year to 23.8 million. Additionally, its total subscribers on its streaming video-on-demand services rose 574% year-over-year, at more than 640,000. With the growth of the entertainment industry occurring in tandem with the pandemic, CIDM stock remains a penny stock to watch. The second stock on the list is Ashford Hospitality Trust. Ashford Hospitality Trust Inc. is a real estate investment trust, which invests in the hospitality industry. The firm's investments include direct hotel investments, mezzanine financing through origination or acquisition, first mortgage financing through origination or acquisition, sale-leaseback transactions, and other hospitality transactions. In the United States and internationally, the real estate market is booming. In January, home prices recorded an 11.2% annual gain, which is one of the largest increases witnessed in a long time. Last month, the Dow Jones Equity All-Right Total Return Index reached a new 52-week high in the last month. In the past, seeing gains like this on large indexes has always been a solid sign for economic growth. Right now, the U.S. housing market is nearing a 15-year high. It is safe to say that real estate is in the midst of a very large rally. As a result, AHT stock has been moving upwards in the past few months. The company has several aspects that are helping to push it upward in value right now. In less than a month, the company will be releasing its first quarter results for 2021. While we don't know how its first quarter results will affect its share price, May 4th is a day that prospective AHT investors may want to mark on their calendars. The next stock on the list is Jaguar Health. Jaguar Health Inc. is a commercial-stage pharmaceuticals company, which engages in the development of gastrointestinal products. The company is one of many names focused on chronic COVID treatment. Via its MITE-C treatment, MITE-C was first created for HIV patients with antiretroviral therapy-related chronic diarrhea. But, it may have potential as a treatment for those suffering from long-term COVID-19 symptoms. Before, Reddit investors got carried away with JAGX stock. Its valuation rose to levels way beyond the possible COVID-related upside. But now, the stock has fallen by more than 50%. That's not to say the stock is cheap by any means. But, following its sell-off, any positive news on MITE-C may be enough to fuel a rebound. Jaguar Health has other promising candidates in its pipeline, including its Canalevia chemotherapy-induced diarrhea treatment for dogs. Yet, so much riding on MITE-C, exercise some caution. Any positive news could send it surging again. But negative developments could send it back to prices well below $1 per share. The next stock on the list is Ocugen. Ocugen Inc., a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company, focuses on the developing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases. OCGN stock is a former penny stock that's moved beyond $5 per share. Hype with this COVID-19 vaccine play may be off the charts. But, even with its vaccine contender a long shot, that doesn't mean shares could again make another rip higher. While it's a bit late to the party, with Moderna and Pfizer now widely distributing their vaccines, Ocugen may find success, as it tries to bring India-based Bharat Biotech's Covaxin candidate to the United States. Government pausing distribution of Johnson & Johnson's vaccine, there may be opportunity for some of the also-rans to get emergency use authorization. Initial news of the Covaxin deal sent it from around $1 per share to more than $19 per share. But the stock has since sold off. So far the Johnson & Johnson's vaccine news hasn't done much to renew confidence in Ocugen's prospects. Yet with this recent news possibly paving the way for this long-shot COVID-19 vaccine contender to get U.S. regulatory approval, it may be worth it to take a calculated bet on OCGN at today's prices. The next stock on the list is SOS. SOS announced a crypto mining strategy early on in 2021. After raising around $25 million, it started rolling it out. Over the last few months, we've seen SOS establish key joint ventures to build upon its blockchain and big data business. We've also seen the company seek out to acquire a controlling interest in power plants. The obvious goal here is to grow its crypto mining operations, specifically in North America. With fresh capital raised at the end of March, SOS has set itself on a course to develop its cryptocurrency mining, cryptocurrency security, and insurance businesses. Last week, SOS announced that it produced 42 Bitcoins and 916 Ethereum during the first quarter of the year. It also received over 5,400 cryptocurrency mining rigs. The next stock on the list is Ebang International Holdings. Ebang International Holdings, Inc. is a blockchain technology company. It engages in the research and development of ASIC chip technology used in blockchain applications in China. The company also manufactures Bitcoin mining machines. Last year Ebang was granted an exclusive license of the ASIC Boost patent. This is a method that can increase the performance of Bitcoin mining by approximately 20%. This year, the company has also set out to achieve several key milestones. These include the rollout of 6nm ASIC chips and developing 5nm ASIC chips. Ebang also aims to expand its cryptocurrency exchange operations. Also, the company looks to build crypto mining farms to mine Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Given the excitement in this niche, EBON could be on the list of cryptocurrency penny stocks to watch right now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.